Hi everyone, welcome to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of XAMPP server in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. Without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for XAMPP server download in your preferred search engine. Now go to the first link and look for the Linux version of the XAMPP server. Click download button and wait for the application to finish downloading. Now open the terminal application in Linux. Go to the download folder by using the change directory command. Check the execution permission is set on the application using ls-l command. Set the execution permission if not set by using the chmod +x command. Now run the application by sudo / command. The XAMPP server installation window will open. Click Next button and follow the steps. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, click the Finish button to launch the XAMPP server. Now XAMPP Manager window will open. Go to Manage Server tab to start and stop servers. After starting all the server under Manage Servers. To check the installation is success, and the server is running, go to web browser and open http://localhost. To check the database, go to http://localhost/phpMyAdmin. To add XAMPP server icon on the taskbar, go to System Settings and click on Applets. On the Applet Settings window, check XAMPP server is available. If not, go to Download tab and search for XAMPP and download. Then go to Manage tab and click XAMPP icon and click the plus button at the bottom of the Applet Settings window. XAMPP icon will be displayed at the taskbar. Now you can manage XAMPP server by clicking on the icon.